What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon O. Bennett, the original student of the game internet marketing. Guys, I have really totally been under the weather for the last few days, guys. I believe because I haven't been to the doctor that I have just a touch of the flu, right? And so I have not been on um, I have not done any videos in a few days. Although I got a lot of videos just going to go up. I haven't done any videos in a few days, guys. I really have been under the weather for real. Anyway, I couldn't help myself, guys. I'm feeling a lot better. My wife been giving me lots of soup and orange juice, and I really just honestly been sleeping, guys. Honestly. And so anyway, I wanted to do a video today. I got a great question from Mike. Was this Mike? Mike's his name. Mike, how you doing? I told you I was going to do a video on this, and so I'm going to do a video on this today, guys. And what I want to talk about today is probably the fastest, the easiest, and the simplest way to start making money online on the internet, right? Working from home. The fastest way to start making money online, working from home on the internet. Now, understand there's a level of training that you have to be prepared to learn, right? You guys hear me always talk about being a student of the game internet marketing. So there's a level of training you have to be prepared to learn. But if you prepared, if you're in a place where you're ready, willing, capable, and able to do this, then you can do it, right? Because we give you all the training, the instruction through video tutorials and things like that to take off and do this type of thing, right? Now, the rate at which you move is going to be totally up to you, okay? But the point is, it's a done for you. You guys hear me talking about that all the time. It's a done for you sales system. What do I mean by that? You guys always hear me talking about building capture pages and building sales funnels and writing follow-up emails. None of that stuff is hard, by the way, but there is a learning curve involved. So over time, guys, over the years now, more often than not, what we do is I build my own sales funnels, but I also use other people's sales systems too. You can leverage, right? You can leverage other people's products, guys, okay? You can sell other people's products and you can leverage their products to make money. That's why I say the fastest way to do it, because you don't have to come up with your own product. Of course, I'm creating my own product, guys. It's inevitable. I have to do it, right? But when we talk about the fastest way to make money online, you can do that by leveraging other people's products. You can sell other people's products, right? And you guys, if you've been on my channel for a while, you should have seen not this capture page, but you should have seen where I'm going to redirect you guys to, right? So guys, let's jump over here to the Fearless Mama, okay? Because that's what I'm talking about in this video today. The Fearless Mama is an actual, you can resell the Fearless Mama. Let me keep this as simple as I possibly can, right? To get involved with the Fearless Mama program, right? It's by Tammy Montgomery, Tim Berger, right? Tammy was looking for a program to actually use as a funded proposal into the six-figure empire, right? And so Tim came up with a program, and Tammy, what they decided to call it was the Fearless Mom. Okay, this is a one-time $250 payment you make. When you make that $250 payment, you will have the rights to resell this product. Okay, we're talking about leveraging someone else's product, selling somebody else's product. The fastest way to start making money online is you don't have to worry about creating a product of your own. You have one, right? So you guys saw me with the capture page, right? So you'll get in the Fearless Mama, you will start with your very own capture page. It's just like this. You'll have this exact same capture page, right? And when a person clicks here to say show me, they will put their email address in there, right? I'm going to do that, guys. So you guys can see exactly. This is what you got now. Imagine this is your system. You're positioning yourself in front of your potential prospects. They put their name and email address in. Boom. Now you guys see where they went to?
This is Tammy Montgomery. I wanted to thank you so much for landing on
They
this
went
page
right
where
to
I'm about
Tammy,
to show
right?
you exactly
And so
how
Tammy's
to
talking
create. So
about
first, it's
how the Fearless Mama program works. It's a beautiful, straightforward sales system, right? You can use it immediately to go out and start getting traffic. And we talk about all those things. I'm going to show you guys in a second. Start getting traffic to your page, right? And making money online. You don't have to build anything. It's already done for you. Now, I'm going to be talking more about this kind of thing in my Training Day Tuesdays, just email marketing, because that's what this is. So let's say you watching me do this. This is what your potential prospects are going to see you doing. You know, you're going to be positioning yourself in front of them. When they come down here and they want to move to the next step, we want to see the sales letter just making $250. They click there. And this is where Tim Berger takes over, guys, okay?
All right, so check this out. At 1:39 in the morning.
Very simple, very just flows like a river, right? You drop people into your capture page. They go, they see Tammy. Tammy's explaining a little bit more how it works. Tim's giving you some actual case studies where he's going into a little bit more. But he also comes down here. We got testimonials. He also comes down here, guys, and talks about everything else that you get inside the Fearless Mama. This, to me, when you talk about over-delivering and you talk about great internet marketing training, this, to me, is probably one of the most comprehensive of all the digital marketing packages I have. And I have many, but I really like this one. It's very simple. But look, I'm going to show you the blocks and the modules of instruction. I'm going to leave this page in the video description so you guys can come in here and read it yourself, okay? Check this out. You got module 1. Right? Then you come down here and you see module 2. And you'll come down and you'll see module 3. This is everything you get. Module 4. Module 5. This is all the training that's included, right, in your done-for-you marketing system. You have to have something to sell. Well, now you can sell this. You can sell it to other internet marketers. And when you do, guys, you'll make $250. You see all the great training in here, though, right? Just lots of great training, right? And again, I'm going to leave the page down here. Now, the other benefit, right? The other benefit, I'm reading along because it's like I'm saying this for the very first time again, right? The other benefit to having something like this, right? Is the fact that let's say you are promoting. Let's say you are promoting. Well, I'm bro. It's like again, I'm reading, guys. Forgive me. Okay, let's say you're promoting a product that you sold for $100, right? Okay, so you make $100 off every time you make a sale for that product you sell for $100, right? That's cool. Let's say you're selling a product for $50. You make a $50 sale every time you sell that product for $50. Well, here you make $250 every time you make a sale selling this product to somebody else. Now, what's the difference? Well, at some point in time, guys, and I really wanted to wait to do this video, but I wanted to do it today because I really wanted to answer this question from Mike particularly. It's easy to get in profit when you promoting a $250 product or even a $100 product as opposed to a $25 or $50 product, right? Right? Because all you need to make is one sale to break even. Let's just say you went out and you did a solo ad for this product, it's $250, and you only made 2 sales in the solo ad. But that's $500 you make, right? With a $60, $75 solo ad. You understand what I'm saying? So instead of it being a $25 program or business opportunity or product, right, where you make it $25, you need less. You need to do less to make more money with a product that's a higher ticket item, right? And it gets better than that inside of the Fearless Mama, and it gets better than that with a lot of other things that I do. But everybody cannot start from the same place, okay? Everybody, you get to start where you're most comfortable. You get to start with what you have. Everybody can't jump into a program and start at $1,000, $5,000, $3,000. Everybody can't do that, right? Sometimes, you know, $500 is a little much. So that's why $250 is a great place to start. And if you can't do that, guys, reach out to me. You know, I got some lower ticket products, right? Well, you can start for $25, right? You can start for $50. I got stuff you guys can get started in. It's different price points, but at some point in time, you're gonna want something like this because 250 is pretty cool, right? That's pretty cool, and it's not gonna break the bank one way or the other, and you can leverage that pretty quick, right? You can scale on that pretty fast. Okay, so hopefully this makes sense, guys. I'm drinking lots of orange juice. Hopefully I'm gonna be feeling better over the course of the next few days, because right now I still feel wow, you know what I mean? I feel better just doing the video, but I got to do some more videos. I got some more videos coming up, guys. I appreciate you guys so very much. Sorry it's been a few days since I've been on a video. Again, I appreciate it so very much. If you guys haven't seen this, I'm going to leave this page in the YouTube video description area. Check it out, guys. Read through all the information. As a matter of fact, so you guys can see exactly how this process works if and when you become a member. What I'm gonna do is I want to get back to the actual capture page, right? Where is it? I can't even find it, right? Okay, guys, it's okay. I'm still a little weary. I've been taking a lot of meds too, so I'm kind of, my mind is still kind of turning. So anyway, I'll leave this page, right? I'll leave both pages where you guys can go from at least Tammy, right? And y'all listen to what Tammy has to say, and then click this button and then go over and listen to what Tim has to say. So you get to hear both from both Tim and Tammy, okay? You already heard from me. I love this program. Nice pilot program if you guys are looking for something to get you started, sort of mid-level. Lots of great training inside of the members area, guys. Lots of great training. Anyway, you'll see. You'll see. I got to get out of here, guys. I got miles to go before I sleep, although I've been asleep all day and all night for the last 2-3 days. And thousands more videos to do. Thanks so much for being on the video, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Keep banging.